Today on Forbes, big, bold, breaking ground. Why Eli Lilly, Amazon, and Mastercard headline our new Most Innovative Large Companies list. The holidays arrive with snow, slush, and in-laws, so you decide to head somewhere warm. You tell your agentic AI assistant everything you want from your Caribbean vacation, activity choices, restaurant types to consider, the lodging and flight options you want. It searches and then, just like that, books everything without you ever having to click buy. Midwinter heaven for you. Hell for your payment company's fraud detection team, which now must determine if these purchases were actually authorized or were fraud perpetrated by some nefarious, margarita-thirsty identity thief. Craig Vosburgh, vice chairman of Mastercard, says, quote, "Historically and currently for most commerce, the signal of intent for a consumer is tapping their card, clicking buy on a website. But with agentic commerce, there is a delegation of authority." The company, he says, is positioning itself as, quote, "the operating system of economies," through a cluster of new financial creations, which include establishing a new stablecoin to instantly enable international transactions between different regions and currencies, creating so-called insight tokens where you authorize an AI agent or a merchant to learn about your habits and preferences, and building B2B agentic payments for machines with huge volumes of continuous business transactions. These are just some of the major advances driving Mastercard to number 10 on Forbes' brand new list just released on Tuesday, America's Most Innovative Large Companies. The very notion of innovative is, of course, inherently subjective. But with this new list, Forbes relies solely on hard data that captures dozens of different indicators of sector-leading innovation, no matter their industry or age. The ranking is driven by Forbes' new Innovation Index, which measures innovation based on volume of patents and intellectual property, research focus, investor confidence, return on equity, media and social media sentiment, and evaluation of company news and statements by synthetic audiences. The index analyzes every company in the Standard & Poor's 500 list, with the top 100 making the Forbes list. Led by pharma giant Eli Lilly at number 1 and tech titan Apple at number 2, the top 10 includes sectors as diverse as manufacturing, like Boeing at number 8, and financial services, Mastercard at number 10. But whether it's through R&D investments, market and consumer confidence, and/or the creation of new IP, they all outpace their peers in driving America's business engines forward. Lilly tops the list in part because of the spread and speed of its new drug production. That new GLP-1 weight loss pill you're constantly seeing ads for? That's Lilly. The company also produces popular GLP-1 injections Mounjaro and Zepbound. Other advances include promising treatments for early Alzheimer's, breast cancer, and migraines. The company's next weight loss drug, retatrutide, targets 3 different receptors at once: GIP, GLP-1, and glucagon, and in phase 3 human trials saw an average body weight loss of 28%, the kind of numbers to this point mostly seen by surgery. No wonder investors are bullish on the company, boosting its stock price by 79% in the past year and fueling its $1.17 trillion market cap. At Amazon, which is at number 6, company officials credit innovation for the firm's dominance in retail and data services. Ty Brady, chief technologist for Amazon Robotics, gives the example of the company's artificially intelligent Proteus robots, which launched in 2022 and were updated in June, and are now used in about 25 of the company's 300 robotics-assisted facilities. Amazon's challenge was to automate getting loaded up racks of packages, called go-karts, from sorting chutes to the proper docks for the proper trucks at the proper times, all while independently and safely navigating around humans working the docks. Amazon builds more mobile robots than any other company, Brady says, to address issues just like these. Proteus, which looks a little like a Roomba on steroids, uses a fleet of sensors hooked up to an onboard AI-powered computer brain. No major feature on innovative companies would be complete without a little innovation of our own. For the first time, Forbes turned to an AI-based data source as one input into a list. The Forbes Most Innovative Large Companies list measures how synthetically created audiences of investors, analysts, journalists, and customers, based on real people and built using their previous writing in a variety of situations, responded to thousands of real company announcements, such as Amazon's Proteus press release, as well as social and blog posts, leadership statements, and earnings calls from the past few years. This data was provided by Kumquat AI, a synthetic audience company founded this year that performs this analysis with archetypes for each industry. For full coverage and to see the whole list, just published on Tuesday, plus the methodology behind it, check out Heather Newman's piece on Forbes.com. This is Kieran Meadows from Forbes. Thanks for tuning in.